Oliver. Oliver, you give me a silly face? Say silly baby. Silly baby. Silly baby. No, what are you doing? You're on your tractor? You gonna go somewhere? Yeah? Make it go. Can you honk? Can you make the horn go beep beep? That. Whoa. You looking at the shed? Should we put it on video? It's the cool shed that Dada and Grandpa have built, but it's not finished yet. We still got fun paint to do. So you like to play in the shed, don't you? Yeah. All right. Well, say bye-bye. You say bye-bye? Yeah, bye-bye. Oh, that was very nice. You waving bye-bye? Yeah. Oh, bye-bye. Bye-bye.